here we have a patient who went to do 810 graft. He wanted to close off his temple and add graft in his hairline. So exactly what we should not do and why it's important to research before doing hair transplant, because it's not just about sticking hair, but is really making things completely unnatural. As you can see, no one has hair there. This is completely unheard of and unnatural. If we look at his original hairline, you have the line that go for the lateral canthus of the eye. This is the border. You can't put anything in front of that. It doesn't make sense. And then when you connect this to the hairline, this point has to be the lowest point. You can't have this being low, and that this is more a female type of hairline, and so it's really important to understand hairline design. So his hairline should have been drawn there. And the recession, if anything, should have been done here. So we're going to remove everything here that's been placed. That's completely unnatural. And as you can see, they follow no natural direction at all. His hair direction, I like that. But here you can see they're going this way. Completely. So we have not only misplaced graft, misdirected graft, and the angulation is completely awful, and then the size of the hair that has been chosen. You can see you have 2-3 hairs, while if you look on the temple, is natural hair. Most of the hair on the temple here, on the temple point, most of the hair are single hair. And the third thing that was done completely wrong, instead of harvesting hair that are softer around the ears or the nape, they went and took hair from the occipital region and very high up in the occipital region. That's where they harvest hair. So not only the strongest hair possible, the thickest hair possible, the darkest hair possible, that what's been taken and plant them on the hairline. So even his hairline here has a lot of tools that need to be taken. So we'll remove this. Same here. Remove some, we'll place them behind, and once everything is healed, then the patient will come back. We can rebuild the proper hairline and a proper recession. But we cannot do that at the same time, because we have to remove some of the biggest boy and put them behind there, and so we can reconstruct a proper hairline in the next 6 months, as I explained to him in a consultation. Okay, so now we're gonna shave this, disinfect the scalp, and numb it, and then I'll come and we'll start. Thank you for listening.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and for more great content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also go to www.bhrclinic.com and start your journey for a free assessment with Dr. Bisanga. Thanks ever so much. Let's get started together, and look forward to seeing you soon.